Lakelinhfish braised with sugarcane, quintessential flavor.
In the culinary world of Vietnam, sea buckthorn fish braised with sugarcane is not only a delicious dish but also a symbol of perseverance and wealth. This dish combines the sweetness of sugarcane and the rich flavor of mature lingcod, creates a wonderful blend that no one can forget. The way to make this dish is simple but requires skill in processing to retain the typical flavor of lakeling fish and sugarcane. Below is the basic way to prepare linhfish braised with sugarcane.
Ingredients to prepare. 1 kilogram of fresh lingfish bought at the market has been prepared, head and tail removed. Spices include pink salt, brown sugar, fish sauce, black pepper, garlic, minced purple onion, and minced chili. 2 pieces of sugarcane 50 centimeters, split in half and cut into 10 centimeters pieces. Prepare the fish, wash the lingcod with diluted salt water and lemon, drain, then sprinkle a little salt to make the fish firm.
Marinate the fish. In a large bowl, mix the fish with garlic, purple onions, pepper and minced chili, if you want it spicy. Braised fish. Arrange the sugarcane one by one at the bottom of the pot, then put the fish on top. Next add garlic, purple onions, chili, a little fish sauce and a little water coloring, then pour boiling water into the pot so that it covers the fish's surface. Boil over low heat and cook until the fish is cooked, the bones are soft and fragrant. During the process of braising the moss for about 3 to 4 hours, you can remove the foam and add a little water if necessary to avoid the fish from drying out without the bones falling off.
Enjoy. Serve linhfish braised with sugarcane on a plate and decorate as you like before enjoying with hot rice. The dish braised sea buckthorn fish with sugarcane is not only a delicious meal, but also a symbol of wealth and prosperity in Vietnamese culinary culture. The rich flavor of sea buckthorn fish combined with the sweetness of sugarcane will be a special gift that brings health and luck to the whole family during the Tet season. Enjoy and share the joy of this meal together.
At this point, we would like to end the article about sea linhfish braised with sugarcane. Hello and see you again at Bepthanhtra Kitchen next time.